What song? Cry no more. Oh! As a rose up from the noise and confusion, as you get this these illusion, I was soaring ever higher, I flew too high. You still want to buy me.
Fighting out of the blue corner, Joseph Brooks.
Lonely night.
In the red corner, Roger Kramer.
Let's go, Roger!
It's real.
Oh! It's intense! Go, Roger! Go, Roger, go!
Oh, hell.
Fire, flip it! Come on, Roger! Get Roger!
Show him!
Beat it, Roger!
Oh, F. Put my hand in cheese. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Take him down!
Grab his legs! Oh, frick. That's Roger.
Grab his leg, Roger!
Flip him around! Yeah!
There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
Flip it.
There we go! Take him down! Hey,
Get Roger!
Go for the other leg!
turn him in!
I hope so.
There he goes!
F, 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 F. Up, 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 up.
Can you push him?
Come on, Raj!
Oh, bring it in! There we go!
F, 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 F. Get your position! Come on, Roger!
Let's go! Exactly what I have to do.
Yeah. Come on, Raj!
Flip it like I did!
Yep. You're freaking right. Come on!
Come on, Roger! Flip it!
Punch his stomach! It's like the guy did what I said. Dang it. I know. Ah. God, words. Come on, Roger.
Give him some blows, Roger!
Complete it! Correct, dude.
An end of the first round. My goodness. I feel like we've seen that a few times so far tonight.
Oh, really?
Well, round one is in the books, and that was a very fun round one. Round two coming up, as is established by the beautiful Serena. Give her a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, we do have good sessions over on the wall there. Beverages, food, if you're hungry or thirsty.
Come on, Roger!
You got round two coming up. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, do what you gotta do. Let's make some noise, everybody.
Noises.
Roger!
Got it, Roger!
Get it, Roger! Go, Roger!
Come on!
Oh, under! Get him, Roger, get him! Get him! Dang, Roger!
Come on, Roger. Get him back down! Back down! Yeah.
Roger, don't
Bring him down!
no matter how hard he punches, you got it.
Come on, Roger.
Woo! Let's go, Roger!
F.
Give him some blows!
Do it for me, Roger! Oh, come on, Roger!
Get out of that!
Do it, Roger! Get out!
Give him some blows, Roger!
Come on!
I wish you could elbow, god dang it.
He needs some blows, Roger!
Work up!
Let's go, Roger! Let's go!
Half position!
Get him, Roger! Lock in legs!
Lock him
Yeah!
Oh, he's got his arm, dang it.
Lock in legs! Go, Roger!
Now progress!
Punish! Beat him!
Oh, it's intense.
Go, Roger! Roger, go! Finish it!
Come on, Raj! Hurry! Go! Yay! Choke on. Woo! Yeah! Yeah. Screw December.
By way of submission to rear naked. His opponent, Joseph Brooks. That was a hell of a fight.
Yes.
That's great.
Good job, brother.
Yeah.